was making the wife a bowl, and
hey, baby.
Yeah.
I don't know what's in this box, but it better be good. Oh, what is it? What is that? Hate mail?
Now what am I gonna do with that? I have an idea. Should work. I've seen it on YouTube. But I wonder if I could color it. Yeah. That should work. And that's going to be perfect.
Well, that looks familiar.
That struck me funny. So we'll take this off, flip it around, put it on the chuck. Now he had asked about, you know, recesses and tenons. With something cracked this bad, I would have absolutely used a tenon, because it already wants to blow apart. So I know it looks like dust coming out of there, but it's really not, look. What are you doing?
Looking for your brand.
Okay, a few days later, got even more resin stuck in there. This is going to be the last attempt. It's either going to work or it ain't going to work. About the only options. Dan Scott sent me a bowl.
God, what'd you send him?
Alright, here she is. That was a big void right there. Well, it ain't together. I mean, it ain't perfect, but it is together. It's actually been quite challenging. He says it's white oak. I don't believe it. It turns like nothing I've ever turned before. But there you go. I hope she likes it. Off to the post office. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that little video. My attempt at some comedy, I guess. Make sure you go check out Dan Scott's video. Links down below. I'm gonna go have my coffee and get to work. Y'all have a wonderful day.